Everybody likes a cup of coffee when they're on vacation, but the question is, how do you make coffee in your hotel room? Let's find out. Hey, what up YouTubers? It's your boy Cody B here to give you another informational how-to video. Today we're going to be learning how to use the CV1 coffee maker. Let's check this out. We got here the CV1 coffee maker. First thing you gotta do is you gotta make sure it's plugged in. I hope you can figure that one out on your own. Now the CV coffee maker uses these little packets that come with the room. One serving, un portion. Green is decaf, orange is regular. You can also use it to make tea. I'll show you how to do that as well. First step is going to be taking your cup here and opening it up. Now these cups come with the coffee maker. They're portioned for the machine. So take your cup, fill it up with water, like so. And pretty much, for the most part, however much water you put in, that's how much drink you're gonna get. All right. Now, once you got that done, you're gonna go ahead and open up the back here, which is your water reservoir. You'll take your cup, pour it like so, being careful not to spill. Now the cup serves another purpose because you put it underneath here. This is a single-use thing. You throw it out. You pick what you want to make. Your coffee regular, your coffee decaf. Let's make some regular. Go ahead, and they have this pre-cut corner here. If you grab that and tear it like so, it peels open. If you don't have a big enough hole to remove it, you can start to pull it apart just like that. And you don't have to reuse this bag, so it's okay if you tear it. Take it out, you can put any scraps in it. Now this is your coffee and your tray in one. Now it comes with these holes in the bottom to allow water to come through. What's gonna happen is the water in the back is gonna boil and come through right here. Pass through your kind of coffee in a tea bag. Believe it or not, this is coffee in here. And go into your cup already hot. So you put your tray like so. This side is a handle. It's got some grips built into it. So you place this like so, right in there. You can see it has these little, grooves built in that it slides into, and you can push it shut. Make sure your coffee's empty. If you don't want a dark roast, you could put a little bit of water in here and that'll help cut down on the roast. But make sure this is pushed nice and firmly all the way back. Set your coffee cups firmly under, close the back. Then this silver button, it has some grips on it. I don't know what that is. This has some grips on it to help you feel it, but you push it down, well, maybe not that hard. And this light turns on to indicate that it's now working. And what's happening inside is something in there is heating up, and the heated coffee is going through here. See, it warns you, hot liquid steam, and it starts to boil through right there. And you can see that is boiling hot coffee. Nah, it's not that hot. If you want to make tea, just take this whole tray out and just hot water will come through, and you can put in a tea bag afterwards. Okay, when you're done, you'll end up with a cup like this. Inside will be the coffee. I recommend, there's this seam here. I recommend that you don't drink from this part because the structural integrity of the cup can get affected by the heat. So turn that section away from you and drink from anywhere else. that's it. When you're done, you can remove the wet coffee and the tray. It's single use. You can throw that away, make another, or if you like your coffee a little bit lighter, you can do it again if you want like a half roast. Okay, that's it. Yeah, go ahead and subscribe for more tips.